How to fix no new messages will appear here on Android Messenger. For this, go ahead and open a Messenger application. So right here, if it's empty like me, first and foremost, check for a Wi-Fi connection. Then if your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, turn it off and turn on your airplane mode for 3 seconds. Now turn your airplane mode off again and switch it to your Wi-Fi or switch to a mobile data. Then head back from here and press and hold the Messenger application to go to your app info. Right here, force stop your application. Tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Then head back from here. Open a Messenger to see any of the messages present right here. Now on the next step, open a Google Play Store. Search for your Messenger application. Check for an update in your application. Simply tap on update if there is any, or the another case is to uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And once you do all of this step, your issue must be solved. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.